Welcome to your future home in the heart of Pampanga. Brand new, ready for occupancy house and lot in Covelandia Homes Subdivision. San Fernando, just minutes from Pampanga's top lifestyle spots. This elegant and spacious home is located just 5 minutes from SM City Pampanga and also near Robinson's Star Mills, Walter Mart, and Vista Mall Pampanga. All your shopping, dining, and entertainment needs are within easy reach. For education, nearby schools include University of the Assumption, Pampanga High School, and San Lorenzo Ruiz Center of Studies and Schools. Hospitals like Mother Teresa of Calcutta Medical Center, San Fernandino Hospital, and Jose B. Lingat Hospital are also accessible. You're also surrounded by great dining options like a pet marengo, bale dudding, meats and match, and popular food chains like Jollibee, McDonald's, and Starbucks. Now, let's talk about the property. It sits on a 128 SQM lot with a floor area of around 170 SQM. The home features open and airy living spaces, a car garage, a pocket garden, and utility areas for laundry and storage. Every part of the house is thoughtfully designed for comfortable and modern living. The subdivision has 24/7 security, clean roads, and a peaceful community vibe perfect for families, professionals, or retirees. And the best part? This house is ready for occupancy. Just move in and start enjoying your new life. All of this for only 6.9 million pesos, with cash and bank financing options available. Message us today to schedule your site viewing, available daily. Live better. Live closer. Live in style here in Covelandia Homes, San Fernando, Pampanga. So if you're looking for a home that offers both convenience and comfort, this is the perfect match for you. Homes like this, well located, brand new, and move-in ready, don't stay long on the market. Don't miss your chance to own a beautiful home in one of Pampanga's most accessible and fast-growing areas. Again, this is located in Covelandia Homes, San Fernando, Pampanga, close to malls, schools, restaurants, and more. Interested? Message us now for inquiries or to book a site visit. We're open daily to assist you. Don't wait, your dream home is only one message away.